Our TV is now fully installed and ready to go. It's a very simple installment, so it's all set now. I'm gonna plug it and we'll set it up for the first time. You should be able to see the red light under here. Come on, turn on the TV. That's a very nice screen. Now we're gonna set up our TV. First thing is choose your language. There are 4 languages only: English, Portuguese, Spanish, and French. You have to choose the country or region where you are. We choose Venezuela, which is the country where I'm in. If you're in Trinidad, you choose Trinidad. Enter. Time zone is Caracas. You choose your time zone depending on where you are. Network. You either choose to use Wi-Fi or you choose to use LAN. Since this is the first time we're going to use this smart TV, I will suggest that you connect via cable. RJ45, because if there seems to be a problem with the Wi-Fi, you can cause some serious damage to the software of your TV. Cable has been connected and LAN has been detected. Press enter. Set IP. So you can either leave it automatically or you just choose to do that manually. I'm going to leave it auto. Press OK. So we have 2 modes: Start Launcher and Start TV. I'm going to go to Start TV. What you need is the Smart TV mode. With this function of your TV, you can install programs or applications and browse the different internet sites through the user interface, and you can custom it to your liking. Do you want to start AutoTuning? Yes. So the TV automatically starts tuning for stations. Exit. And we are in. Terms of use, you read it through and then you agree. Privacy, next. Advertising, choose. I will say not agree. Let's see what happens. Ready? This is it. This is our system. Time and date are okay. The location is also okay. How do you operate, or how can you operate? You have 2 options to turn your TV on. The first thing, you can use your remote control. If you don't have your remote control by any chance, way under here, there's a hidden button that you can press to turn your TV on. So what you do is you press the button here and it pops on. If you press the button again, you're going to have that hidden menu. You have 5 seconds. If you don't do anything, that hidden menu is going to disappear. So if you press the button again, you can choose from input, up, down, volume. You can control your stuff from there. If you want, let's just say, for example, you want to turn up your volume or you want to turn down your volume, you long press and you see down here it's turning down the volume. If you want to turn up the volume, come back here, you long press and it turns up the button. So that is a plus. That is a plus, that you can manually control your TV from here. Now let's go and see our TV terminal connections, or our input, the plugs. Where are they? So you get your control, and here you just click on source and you see right here going up and down. You can set up your cable TV, or if you're just gonna go on air just like that. If you have your TV plugged through the HDMI, you come here. This is where your input is. Next thing we're gonna do is go to the taskbar. Right here below, you have media, setting, weather, search, and then you have home, where you have suggested applications. These applications are not installed. You're gonna have to install them yourself. For example, if we come here, we want to install Netflix. You come here, click on Netflix. You have the Netflix app, and then you click on get, free to download, and you have to wait until it finishes downloading. While it's downloading, we're gonna go do something else. Here you have My App Store. So if you click on My Apps, you have your App Store, you have Live TV, you have Firefox, YouTube has already been installed. So if you come here to App Store and click on it, you're gonna get other options to download. So you have all this that you can easily download to your computer. If we continue, we've got same thing, apps. You have your App Store there. You have videos, popular videos, music, popular music or recommended music, sports, and even for kids, Disney Junior, among others. Going back here to the start, we have tutorial menu. If you click on menu, you're gonna have your ad options. If you want ads, if you don't want to display ads, you just click on it and then it's not going to display ads. Go back, you have your terms of use and your privacy settings. So you read your terms of use, and when you're done, you just close, and that's it. If you have a pen drive, a flash drive, you're not going to see it in source. If you click on source, you're not going to find it here.